Did you know your brain has a special cleaning crew that only works while you sleep? Welcome to the nighttime cleanup, your body's secret work while you sleep. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the fascinating processes that occur in your body from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m., revealing why sleep is crucial for your health and well-being. As the clock strikes 10 p.m., your brain begins to slow down, preparing for its nightly maintenance. Your body temperature drops, and a remarkable system called the glymphatic system starts to wake up. This is your brain's personal cleaning service, ready to sweep away the day's cellular waste. Between 11 p.m. and midnight, you enter deeper stages of sleep. Growth hormone levels surge, kickstarting tissue repair throughout your body. Meanwhile, the glymphatic system ramps up its activity, flushing out toxins from your brain. From midnight to 1 a.m., you are likely in your deepest sleep. Your body's metabolic rate hits its lowest point, and your muscles relax completely, allowing for maximum physical restoration. The early hours between 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. are prime time for detoxification. Your liver is working overtime, breaking down toxins, while your immune system produces cytokines, crucial molecules for fighting inflammation and infection. As 2 a.m. rolls around, you might enter REM sleep, vital for cognitive functions like memory consolidation and learning. Your body continues its repair work, synthesizing proteins and regulating hormones like melatonin, which oversees various cleaning processes. Between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m., you might dip back into deep sleep. The glymphatic system is still hard at work, and interestingly, your colon might start to increase its activity, preparing for morning bowel movements. As dawn approaches from 4 a.m. to 5 a.m., your sleep becomes lighter. Your body begins to prepare for waking, with cortisol levels rising to signal the start of a new day. But that's not all. Throughout the entire night, your lungs are self-cleaning, your kidneys are filtering blood albeit at a slower pace, your skin is regenerating, and your lymphatic system is removing waste from tissues. It's important to note that these processes don't follow a strict hourly schedule. Instead, they're tied to your sleep cycles, which typically last 90 to 110 minutes. You usually go through 4 to 6 cycles per night, each including light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Now that you know about your body's nightly cleaning crew, you might look at sleep in a whole new light. It's not just rest, it's a crucial time for your body to repair, detoxify, and prepare for another day. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into your body's hidden processes.